Hello dear friends and colleagues, welcome to the channel of VST Drilling Equipment Plant. My name is Timur, I am a sales manager of VST company. As usual, I'm going to share our news with you. Today I will tell you about a drilling machine which can make your drilling business unequaled and more competitive. We have just finished the manufacturing process of URB 282, the exploration drilling rig mounted on KAMAZ truck. Most of you know KAMAZ truck because it is used in many countries of the world, and it is the permanent winner of Paris-Dakar Rally. This truck is exploited in Russian army due to its reliability and power. As I told you, we can customize our drilling rigs according to needs and requirements of our clients. This time our customer from Crimea decided to have a powerful drill pump NB50, which allows to drill up to 300 meters, pumping mud and bentonite mixture. Using this mud pump, our customer will be able to drill through all soil formations up to the 8th category of drillability. But the owner of this drilling rig wants to go through absolutely all formations, including the hardest granite and basalt. That is why we have installed a powerful and reliable compressor of the world-known company Atlas Copco. This compressor outputs 12 cubic meters of air under pressure of 12 bars, and there is no rock which cannot be penetrated by this drilling rig. Pay your attention that this drilling rig has a reinforced mast and a reinforced carriage which moves along the mast on 12 rollers. As you can see, we have installed the drilling rig platform, the mud pump and the compressor on the same truck. Furthermore, we have produced a box for drill rods and a case for welding generators. This rig is also equipped with a winch for auxiliary operation. I can proudly say that this complete set of drilling equipment can be the standard for such multi-purpose drilling machine. Don't waste your time observing other models of drilling rigs. Contact me and we will supply you with a high performance and high quality drilling rig. Don't forget that our offer with discount of $5,000 is still on and will be valid till the end of December. Call me right now at my phone number +79227084355 or text to my email est.barakaev@gmail.com. And remember, BST company helps you to get money from underground.